What if I told you that you could 3D print a high-quality permanent crown for less than $1 thanks to advanced nanofilled resins? That's now a reality. For denture bases, specialized resins provide exceptional durability, flexibility and biocompatibility, ensuring a perfect fit and long-term comfort. But the real game changer, nanofilled permanent crown resins infused with nanozircon, strength and wear resistance, nanosilver, antibacterial properties, nanocarbon, fractural resistance, nanozircon, natural translucency for lifelike aesthetics. With traditional ceramics, cost can be high, but with nanofilled resin, you get the same durability and aesthetics at a fraction of the price. Your final crown cost less than $1. Stronger, faster and more affordable. This is the future of digital dentistry.